Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be making this cute bear keychain from cold porcelain clay. I first start by making the bear's body. I then make the legs by cutting equal sausages of clay. I make indents in the body and stick on the legs. To make the blouse, I cut out a rectangle with a triangle for the center part of the blouse and stick it around the body. I then cut small and equal rectangles for the skirt and stick it in an overlapping way all around the body of the bear. I then flattened white clay and cut it into a strip to stick around the waist of the bear. I also put it around the collar of the blouse. I make a small ball for the head and stick it onto place. I also stick a lighter shade of clay for the mouth and two smaller balls for the ears. I also add in the eyes, nose and mouth like so. I then stick in the eyebrows. I finally add in the hands by cutting in equal sausages of clay. I also stick in two small balls for the pom-poms. I use a pair of tweezers to texture it. In the end, I add in cheeks. I finally wait for it to dry and glaze the whole thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such cool porcelain clay videos.